If you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine, a good night serum is one of the most effective ways to improve your skin while you sleep. Night serums work overtime to rejuvenate and hydrate your skin, addressing issues like fine lines, discoloration, and dryness. In this video, we'll be reviewing 5 of the best night serums that will leave you waking up with smoother, glowing skin. Let's dive in and discover the best options to add to your nighttime regimen. Kicking off our list at number 1, the Ordinary Retinol. The Ordinary Retinol 0.2% in squalane is a popular and affordable option for those looking to incorporate retinol into their skincare routine. This serum targets signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, while also helping to improve skin texture and tone. With the added benefit of squalane, it's designed to keep the skin moisturized while the retinol works its magic. Key features: this retinol serum comes in a 30 ml bottle, offering a 0.2% concentration of pure retinol. The addition of squalane ensures that the formula remains hydrating, making it suitable for individuals with dry or sensitive skin. The serum is fragrance-free and free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, offering a clean and effective solution for those new to retinol. Benefits and usage: the Ordinary Retinol 0.2% in squalane is perfect for those looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. It's especially beneficial for those who are just starting to use retinol, as the 0.2% concentration is gentle yet effective. To use, apply a few drops to clean, dry skin at night, and follow up with a moisturizer. Start with 2 to 3 times a week to build your skin's tolerance. Usability: the serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving behind a smooth, non-greasy finish. The squalane helps to balance the drying effects of retinol, making it comfortable to wear throughout the night. However, retinol can be irritating for some individuals, so it's important to start with a lower frequency of use and gradually increase as your skin gets used to it. Durability: the Ordinary Retinol 0.2% in squalane is highly durable, with consistent results seen over time. The formula is designed for long-term use, and regular application can lead to improved skin texture and reduced signs of aging. It's important to note that retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so using sunscreen during the day is crucial. In the second spot, we have a L'Oreal Revitalift. L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Night Serum is formulated with advanced ingredients to brighten and renew skin overnight. It combines glycolic acid and vitamin C, 2 powerful ingredients that help exfoliate and brighten the skin, while also addressing dark spots and uneven tone. This serum works to target signs of aging, leaving your skin looking radiant and rejuvenated. Key features: the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Night Serum contains a potent combination of glycolic acid and vitamin C. Glycolic acid gently exfoliates the skin, promoting cell turnover, while vitamin C brightens and firms the skin. The formula also includes antioxidants to help fight free radicals, which are responsible for skin aging. The serum is free from parabens and has been dermatologically tested for safety. Benefits and usage: this night serum is designed to visibly reduce dark spots, improve skin texture, and enhance skin radiance. It's ideal for individuals with dull, uneven skin tones or hyperpigmentation. Apply a few drops of the serum to your face at night after cleansing. Make sure to follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Over time, you should notice a brighter, smoother complexion. Usability: the texture of this serum is lightweight and silky, making it easy to spread across the skin. It absorbs quickly without feeling sticky or greasy, and it doesn't leave behind any residue. The formula is suitable for most skin types, although those with sensitive skin should start by using it every other night to allow their skin to adjust to the glycolic acid. Durability: the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Night Serum offers consistent results, especially after continuous use. The glycolic acid works well to refine skin texture and promote cell turnover, while the vitamin C helps to keep the skin looking bright and youthful. It's important to remember that with exfoliating acids, regular use can increase sensitivity, so make sure to wear sunscreen during the day. Coming in at number 3 is the Vichy LiftActiv. Vichy LiftActiv Retinol HA Night Serum is a powerful anti-aging serum that combines the benefits of retinol with hyaluronic acid to address wrinkles and fine lines while providing deep hydration. This serum works overnight to repair and rejuvenate the skin, helping to restore its youthful appearance by morning. Key features: this serum is formulated with 0.2% retinol and hyaluronic acid, two ingredients known for their ability to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The retinol accelerates cell turnover, while the hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps the skin, ensuring that it remains moisturized even as the retinol works. The product also contains Vichy's volcanic water, which is rich in minerals and antioxidants, promoting skin health. Benefits and usage. The Vichy LiftActiv Retinol HA Night Serum is perfect for those seeking a potent anti-aging treatment that also hydrates the skin. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin texture, giving you a smoother, more youthful complexion. Apply a few drops to your face at night, and follow with a moisturizer. As retinol can be strong, start by using it 2 to 3 times a week to allow your skin to adjust. Usability. The serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. It doesn't leave a greasy residue, making it suitable for combination and oily skin types. The hyaluronic acid ensures that the skin doesn't feel dry or tight, even after the retinol works overnight. Sensitive skin types should proceed with caution and start slow. Durability. The Vichy LiftActiv Retinol HA Night Serum shows noticeable results over time, with smoother, more hydrated skin after a few weeks of consistent use. The combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid provides long-term anti-aging benefits, while the formula ensures your skin remains moisturized. As always, sunscreen should be worn during the day, as retinol can increase sun sensitivity. Taking our fourth spot is Drunk Elephant A-Passioni. Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream is a high-performance night serum designed to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and increase collagen production. Packed with a potent 1% retinol concentration, this serum works to regenerate the skin while also keeping it hydrated and nourished with the help of soothing ingredients like marula oil. Key features. The key ingredient in this serum is 1% retinol, which helps to increase collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Drunk Elephant has added marula oil and peptides to ensure that the retinol doesn't cause excessive dryness or irritation, which can sometimes be an issue with stronger retinol products. It's also free from silicones, fragrances, and dyes, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream is ideal for those with mature skin or those looking to combat fine lines and wrinkles. This serum enhances skin texture, smooths out rough patches, and promotes overall skin rejuvenation. Apply a small amount to your face at night, starting with 2 or 3 times per week, then gradually increase usage as your skin builds tolerance. Usability. The serum has a creamy texture that feels luxurious and absorbs into the skin easily. The inclusion of marula oil makes the serum hydrating, so you won't experience the dryness that often accompanies retinol use. Its gentle formulation makes it a great option for those new to retinol, though sensitive skin types may want a patch test first. Durability. Over time, Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream delivers impressive results. The formula helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture irregularities, giving the skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. Because of its hydrating ingredients, it's less likely to cause irritation compared to other higher-strength retinol products, but it's still important to wear sunscreen during the day. And finally, at number 5, we have SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5. SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5 is a dermatologist-recommended serum formulated to target signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, and skin discoloration. This serum uses a 0.5% retinol concentration, making it potent but suitable for those who are more accustomed to retinol in their skincare routine. Key features. SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5 is formulated with pure retinol and a stabilizing system to ensure the product remains effective over time. The serum also includes bisabolol, which helps soothe the skin, and dimethicone for a smooth application. Its advanced formula works deep into the skin to accelerate cell turnover and reveal a more youthful complexion. Benefits and usage. This serum is ideal for those who are familiar with retinol and looking for a product that addresses signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture. Apply a small amount to your face in the evening after cleansing, and follow up with a moisturizer. Start using it twice a week and gradually increase frequency as your skin becomes more tolerant. Usability. SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5 has a smooth, creamy texture that glides onto the skin easily. It absorbs quickly without leaving behind any greasy residue. The inclusion of bisabolol helps reduce any potential irritation, making it less likely to cause dryness or redness, even with regular use. Those new to retinol should be cautious and increase usage gradually. Durability. With consistent use, SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5 delivers noticeable improvements in skin texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its formulation allows for long-term use, providing continuous anti-aging benefits. Like all retinol products, it's important to wear sunscreen during the day to protect the skin from UV damage. And that wraps up our review of the best night serums to rejuvenate your skin. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like the Ordinary Retinol or a luxurious choice like Drunk Elephant A-Passioni, there's something here for everyone. Incorporating a night serum into your routine can make a world of difference for your skin. So pick the one that best suits your needs and start seeing results overnight. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews.